week that we were going to do the last bulk unboxing, and this is the last one. I'm getting around to it. I'm going to do this as quick as I can because it's really hot right now where we live. It's supposed to be peaking like 101 between today and tomorrow. There's like a heat, warning. And it gets super hot up here, and I want to record this and then get some photos done and get some listings done downstairs, but I do my photos up here, so I really want to get this done. And so here we go. Hope you guys are having a great day again. Welcome here. Like and subscribe. We've got some more boxes coming in. I think tomorrow I've got like 4 more boxes coming. So we've got some more future unboxings. Lots of listings going up, and great stuff on Instagram. So I hope you're joining us. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get to this. So we have a lot of men's clothes in here. So I'm just going to take this one at a time and just kind of see what we have. Okay, you guys? We've had some good fellow men's dress shirts, and here's some more. This is a size slim, medium, and so there's that. And these are kind of like the plaid, gray plaid. It's a good fellow, size small, kind of like a work shirt, not a dress shirt, but kind of like a flannel shirt. Ooh, I like these colors. This is a nice one. This is, again, these are all good fellow. This one is a slim fit, also a size medium. Oh, I really like that. My husband says I might give that to him. I love those colors. We also have some other clothes in here, so let's take a look and see what we have here. This is another men's. It's a good fellow. It's a tie-dye green and white, size medium. And then I have a bunch of, I might just sit down here. I have a bunch of men's pants, dress slacks, and these are classic fit Hagar. These are Hagar. So I'm just going to kind of show these. They're just really nice dress pants for career or even church. That was a size 34-30, more 34-30. These are basically all the same color. They're gray. Again, gray. This is a 40-30. So some different sizes, which is fantastic. And this is a 38-32, again, gray, Hagar, classic fit. These are all the same type of pant, just different sizes. This is black, Hagar, premium stretch, classic fit. Size, they covered up the size. I love it when they do that. Size 40. 40-32, these are black, and then we've got more gray, 34-30, and more black is black and gray, basically 38-32, and we're going to be just steaming all of these to prep. I'll put one up and then we'll just do various sizing. 38-32, and this one has a little something on it. I am not sure what that is, and I don't know if I can get it out. Oh, I might be able to. So we'll work on this one. If I can work it, we'll put it in there. I've only had about, maybe not even 5 or 10%. I had a couple things that had a dress that had some blue on it. I couldn't list. A shirt that had a little bit of blue on it, and I just noted it in the listing saying that it had this, because it was enough where it was at the cuff where it was just so minor. If they still wanted it, it was kind of a men's shirt that was just kind of wrap around in. So anyway, we'll see if we can get this off. This one is a 42-30. Got some really great sizes here. And this one is a 36-32. So yeah, my ratio as far as anything that I can't list, I think it's been like one item for sure that I couldn't list, and then one that I did list, just noted the issue. This is 34-32. Again, some really great variation in sizes, which I love. 38-29. A few more in here. $36.29. And what do we have here? $42.30. Gray, another black one, that is $36.29. And one last one, this one is $42.32. So again, we'll steam one of each, and then we'll list them, you know, under variations. And I think that was it from that bulk of boxes that we had. So yeah. Again, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so glad you're here. Find us on Instagram and obviously YouTube. Like and subscribe. And then we are on Poshmark and eBay. So I will link those below. You guys have a fantastic day, and we'll do, I'll get these going up on YouTube here pretty soon. And then probably the end of next week, maybe beginning of next week, the end of this week, beginning of next week, I might do another unboxing. However, I'm going to be working on getting YouTube up and a lot of listings this next week. So I'm not sure when I'll have the second one up, this one up, because I still got to put the first one up. And in a couple weeks, I'm going to be away for a while. We're going on vacation. So, but that's in a couple weeks, so there should be still some more things coming. I'll probably do one more unboxing before that. So anyway, guys, have a really great day. I hope you're staying cool. Hope you're really enjoying your summertime. We're getting a lot of work done, and we're enjoying friends and family and great church activities. So we'll talk to you guys in the next one. Talk to you later.